In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Shadows not launching on PC. To fix this problem, you need to navigate to the game folder. So this is the game folder. Right click on the game folder and select rename option and change this Assassin's Creed Shadows to Assassin's Creed Shadows. And once you remove the S, I will show you guys. Quick fix for not launching problem. The simple in the folder name where the game is installed. So if you have trouble running it, rename the Assassin's Creed Shadows folder to ACS or Assassin's Creed. Remove this symbol, guys. Just doing this, I launched the game like this and finished the first step and disable this DSE. Once I done this, select the second number and I can able to launch the game in Assassin's Creed Shadows. Yesterday I have faced this problem and fixed using this command. I forgot to make that video and right now I have uninstalled. Right now I don't have the game. Still want to help you guys who are facing problem after selecting the number 2 the game doesn't launch. From my YouTube channel I got a command, so I'm making this video for yeah, guys said what to do if number 2 is not working and does not open the game. To fix this for Assassin's Creed Shadows, so follow the step, just remove the symbol in game folder and that fixed for me and everyone. If the game not linked, this is another solution I gave him. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.